So I got a little bit farther than I thought, and I've decided that I'm going to put in the clay to make the round holes for the hip sockets. And then I'll stop, I think. We'll see. Anyways, I'm going to show this to you guys because it's really simple how you do it. But some of you might not know how. Okay, so just take any kind of clear bag or saran wrap or anything and take the joint that you're going to be using, stick it inside. First, score, as always, score the area. Seriously though, it's just really important that you do this, because sometimes the clay just will not stick. And even if it does stick, if you carve it after it's dry, it'll start flaking away, whereas if you do this, it won't do that, which is really helpful. And these are all things that I've learned from doing, making 1,000,001 mistakes over and over, so I'm just trying to save you guys the trouble. And the cost of the clay, because it's really expensive. It adds up for sure. So yeah, and then just take some of your slip and wet it down. And then take whatever clay you're going to be using and just cover the area. I would just use way more than you actually need, just to make sure it really makes a nice hole. And I would wet that down too, just in case. And then, oops, take your joint and stick it in there. And just twist it around so it doesn't stick. And then while it's in there, if you can see the inside, you can just take off the excess clay and just smooth it around the ball. Like that, and then do the same for the outside. You might even want to add extra while it's in. Slowly and gently take it out. Like that. And then you have a hip socket, which obviously you'll need to clean it up and make it nice after, but generally you're going to cut this out anyways, so you can make a nice circle later. But yeah, I would just spray this down and just clean it up a little bit. It's always better to just clean it up when you do it as opposed to doing it after. It just, even though it takes that little bit of extra time, it just makes it so much easier later. I hate this. Okay, sorry about that.